Opatafour TV, your channel of truth.
Right there, we see for your movie Kwaba, but Opatafour TV. Hey, I was here. Opatafour TV. TV na ya bedru. TV wanwa so a odi for Opatafour asase no na nsia. Ha do, odi abesi kumasi krodu emu. Hey, urama na ba say yes. Odi for Opatafour abon homode. Na ono di for Opatafour. E boni studio na su. And then ya launch studio no. Sam na make say odi for Opatafour asase no na nsia. Oh, Prophet Opatafour Atnase. Odi for mo akwaba.
Obengezi.
Prophet Opatafour. Oh, we try say wo studio ampa. Na the wa hofa mani nkonwa ne ha fe. Eh, Prophet Opatafour. Na me ahira.
Bible kan wo say fa honam ade. E fa hye urade animonyam. Enti abrochefo adaroma. Mama yinhira.
Wow.
Omde maame no. Amfa anweka huru. Amfa anye
odi for Opatafour.
Have invested wisely.
Oh, why are they
building studio? De biara da omohwemi. Em so moten nka che se no ye
no
revealing mysteries. Ache. Na omohwemi nefie.
Okay.
Na otwi bia fiada bia
say what yesim.
Matiesim.
Na otwi bia ebe who studio.
Na otwi bia no studio.
Oh, ya busia that's a way they are sample.
Live. E wo Opatafour TV.
Wow.
Enti the ambassador catch on say, o person who stories be say. Na wo enjoy Opatafour teachings. Ani ni nyoma ho ya. Subscribe to your YouTube channel no.
And one Opatafour
TV na be hunu be bia.
Oh, okay. You see a hand of videos.
Obi person odi wachi a hand omra.
Okay.
Until subscribe to Opatafour TV na owie na card ye ba kope. Sa notification bell na wo ho no. Na wa click so. Adoma no. E mia so. Wo de mia so keke.
Okay.
Umia so pe. What happened next? They say anytime I be uploading new videos, you'll be the first person to get it.
Okay. Now say when you now also cry, the video too man. Now prompt to cry Okay.
Give for Opatafour the BBA to the channel on. It's way your Opatafour TV
officially no. What treasure to
papa.
Oh, okay.
Enti Yaminshira eye obi o hwe me the entire world, the four physical quadrants baby a wo bia no na bi hira o onyame adom kakra your light channel Opatafour TV no
jadam tata
fia de biara ena adua de biara Sunday one hu de course was all them on Monday ye two mu no enti Monday any Friday there just so your Opatafour time. The Akaso program a DHR be our channel on so no. I think say and paying for administrators paying for Mama Swati.
Okay.
I had there in your video free. I am your Mapankwa Opatafour TV. Your channel of truth.
All right, I will see how deep for Opatafour asase no na isia. Me gidi some afa no kakra. Mo be hu na na bi aso dem. And then ya born pampe ya yere no pampe. You hu na che afa no dodo. Enti yanya ni say ne de odi for na de ka balanchi station na wa ba no so de kakra bi ansa. And then some etwa ba na enya asem de. Owuo nko mienu na ne nam Ghana ha. Na de di kan ye Christian Atsu. Minim so follow football.
Okay.
Ya brantia ba kwa ye ka football de Ghana ha obono ho akotere blaster yi na obobi.
Okay.
Na mras sama wo Turkey na sesi obono ball.
Okay.
Na nsa na wotwe mienu mu ani. Ye say earthquake bi asi Turkey. Ye nko bi se ma say Atsu ka ho. Ye nim say o bi Atsu nyame adom ye be nyinya Atsu ayi no. Bibi enka no. Ye kɔhwɛ ko duru ba bia ne dan wa Atsu afiri. Odifo amana ya rohosem enu achi no mode na mu free Turkey bedru Ghana ha na nsem bi se ya na enwanwe bi ntensi yentenhu bi wo Ghana ha ene de nka Olanchi station na bibi se wa ba no so de wo na yesunsun nyuma o odifo de e ba honhom nyuma se de a yentimi entwa won si ba bi da abraye misa odifo bibi taachire atwuwe ya wawu bibi taachire ana nyame frɛ odifo Opatafour
yo me da se I mean, share with you for you. I really love you people so much, and I respect you. I did also any party I say about Coupe.
Okay.
And he said, everything has a price to pay. Any level of achievement that humans will wish to attain has a price to pay.
Okay.
Kwan bi abefa so a de betwa aboade ni bia no. Ejina wo ani nipa na o promote you no.
Okay.
Ana tumi na o ye de a o promote you ni ntem. Obi ka say de na Opatafour pa akire.
Okay.
Atu ewu a wawu no, there is a lot to it.
Hey. This na chuwo no.
Men kaso obi see o.
Odi for one na ka say say okra de ya on ten kasa ansem.
Good. Opatafour say. Me obi a men pe obi asem a waka.
Okay.
And I always do my findings very well, spiritually and physically, and sana makasa.
Okay.
And the people who follows me, they should take it from me. So Opatafour say, anytime they are quoting, they should quote me.
Okay.
So Opatafour say,
The TOD4.
Christian Atsu, there's a lot to it.
A giant TB, a bit said then.
Mamin Chewadie,
The TOD4.
it's as a result of the FIFA World Cup 2022.
Hey, wake up here, boy.
And until
Ah, Prophet Opatafour. Asa when you be anka bibi say that.
Utie.
Asa se wo so kuma branti na fa World Cup.
Yes.
Prophet
Utie.
Aha, yetio.
There's also being carried.
Na bibi say there yantin somewhere ben nyina obi anka.
Obi ntimi nka bi da.
Prophet Opatafour.
Did osoro de amano.
Odi for Opatafour.
No na me ne Janet wo di nkomo.
Janet Sane.
Na Janet dey say de bi otimi fi.
Prophet Opatafour.
Ana Jacob Tumfuo mi bu say de ekosi ahomete. Ansa na Jacob Tumfuo kire bi mu. Akyerɛkyerɛ me nneɛma bebree ase. Na ɔkyerɛ me ma me te nneɛma bi ase. Ehu sɛ wiase adeɛ biara wɔ aboade onipa twia. Na adeɛ biara so wɔ na wieyɛ.
Okay.
Now, FIFA World Cup no mo boy no. There is a lot to it.
On kra wan kobi.
Yes.
Wan kobobi. Na ede na ikoku no.
Good.
Me TOD4.
FIFA World Cup no mo koye no. There is a lot to it. There was a lot of secrets relating to the FIFA 2022 World Cup. Ni panim.
Okay.
Na de are ho ne say. A Christopher mobo yi.
Hey.
E mobo ye mobo ne say. Yentimi hunu esum nyuma.
Okay.
Ana yentimi hunu ehan mu nyuma. Da bia ha say esum ya ne nioma we tend to partake.
Yeah, they ho ajimbi.
Yes, and eventually we become victim of circumstances.
Let's say the touch dan kasa no ye mpenhwe.
Ye mpenhwe.
And once ye die akire ye.
Yes.
Okay.
You know what the crowd, the masses are doing. That's what exactly we Christians you follow near here.
Okay.
Now, the two who host to FIFA World Cup, we host to on a purpose.
Okay.
Now, we host to say, we share Luciferian munyam.
World Cup no.
Yes.
Na say 4 years bi aye tabo.
Good.
What do for 4 years bi aye
Yes,
World Cup. Okay.
You come to understand me.
And ye tie pa.
Yeah, both World Cup be Opatafour, I'm aware of it.
Okay.
So every 4 years,
you know,
World Cup. Yes, but this year's World Cup was an extraordinary. There was something unique, something special about the World Cup.
Okay.
And he said, "I knew mommy and son on Kabom."
Okay.
First one, now Amudi actually be a rebirth of a new generation.
World Cup we.
World Cup we no.
Okay.
Amudi today we have to say, every the year 2020, I will fulfill.
Ya wo ade foforo. Wiase na sesa.
Wiase asesa.
Bibi foforo ba wiase.
Bibi foforo ba wiase.
Oh, Prophet Opatafour.
Yes. And the second thing was to inform people, say, henceforth,
Okay.
there's a new system of governance and a new system, a way of doing politics.
Okay.
And the new system of governance is what we call the New World Order. They were launching the New World Order. And because of Anuntino, we also have this as a fact, say, the New World Order, they have their empowerment.
Okay.
Right from Lucifer. We know it.
On the touch.
On the touch.
Okay.
It is certain spectacular events, be very sensitive issues be happening during the times of the FIFA World Cup ongoing.
Okay.
And afterwards said, I'm BBC, but
ya dwene ko
ya dwene ko
eno ye de no ntim ya nya wo ha no wo de BBC ba na ya ne ya yada wo no odi fo ye tie o.
Okay. Now, before say omo be launch game no. Omo ye opening ceremony.
No correct.
Now opening ceremony no omo ye no. Ye fra no the nocturnal gathering of witches.
Opening ceremony for
no. Yes.
Omo launch no ma.
Yes, your friend the nocturnal gathering of witches.
Okay.
Now, because the nocturnal gathering of witches, I say, and I do share with you a bayfonia baybonsam.
That's a bayguro.
A bayguro and tafwe and cabrichichi, we didn't was saying you to me.
Opening ceremony na ye be bowe kapa ye de chichi say Katafo be boy lunch o man mu no ma chere.
Qatar as a nation was not due for hosting a FIFA World Cup. But they specifically chose that nation for a purpose. Listen, my argument here is, say, every event, anything that happened during the times of the FIFA World Cup, happened for a purpose.
Because you say World Cup there, I might be break or echo better, be a press.
Yes.
But
this year's own was special. Now, the woman said, see, a nocturnal gathering.
Okay.
Of witches are. And you by four or be able to and now win now.
Okay.
They are part of it. But any institution established in the name or in glorification to the name Lucifer, Satan, or the old serpent, Biano, we call it. The practice. So during the times there were counter-cultural practices and movements.
Okay.
Affixed to the name of Lucifer. It's being regarded in Christianity. Say evil.
Okay.
Now, sir, nocturnal gathering. Say you be this fashion.
With you.
Every generation be an this fashion.
Okay.
Israel for cry yebi. Now the essence say do time now. Any pim ekoshia baby. Sometimes a population of 10,000.
Okay.
And above. No mudu ho no mo. Omudu mo hon kane nyinara.
Okay.
Na so omudu mo kane a. No mo manipa. And Encyclophobia, they believe to have an acrobatic abilities. Omu be roll esa. Omu do omuna hihye nuyam ade nante. Ebi mu di eja.
Okay.
Edi agro. And what happened next in say? Say omu yes ade na. Then omu do mo nyina light. Na why yesum.
Anokura.
Afa no ma yini pa ba akopɛ. Na wo be partake awo event ni mu bia no. Sawu and Crawford, your mama ointment.
Okay.
Ointment are what the sra. So that particular set ointment is being consecrated. That carries power from the dark world.
More ceremony.
Yes, a mama ointment.
Okay.
Who ignorant. Thinking that this ointment was given to me and said, that is not a fact.
Okay.
That particular set ointment is being empowered in the rest of the spirit. And what happened next? And they say, Yadimawa, say Usra, it gives Lucifer the rightful authorization to take total dominance over your soul. Yes.
Wa di nku ni bi besra.
Esra no. Emma osefo no tumi. Say onya de.
Wa koye ne de ya.
Akoye ne de ya.
Okay.
Okra ye ne de ya. Now, my culture say we have something called Trisagion, the Trinity.
Okay.
Eja obano nkonkoro. When you go to the world of the dark world, the kingdom of the dark world, we have with the same Trinity.
Almost was
yes, serpent. It will show scriptures more. Running throughout from Genesis to Revelation. If it is not the serpent, Lucifer, and Lucifer, Satan. These are the Trinity. Yes.
To say what Benjamin, Jesus Christ, Nyame Ankasa na
and the Holy Spirit.
Okay, almost the
no. Oh, and now during the Qatar World Cup, they celebrated the Trinity of the dark world, and they performed certain rituals,
okay,
which glorifies the name of the dark Trinity.
Intimate was here. World Cup on the air. Money no ma.
And you World Cup. Me tell say
Qatar the end of the day.
Until I explain.
Almost that's Shama.
Almost that's Shama.
Okay, I feel the matter was.
Some nocturnal gathering of the witches, no. Some could share some natural do light enough for me to jack from yes area.
Okay.
No more aponche.
Abua
ponche and now ram.
Okay.
No the nipa baako esi aponche so. Na the edison is so say nipa na ye feel say what we di aponche no atumrika e wo sumu no.
Okay.
Ni a crown ne say on the champion.
Okay. Okay.
It ye the edi the goat. At all.
Okay.
What I'm saying, it's right there in scriptures.
Okay.
And it has a history. I attached to it.
Okay.
Now, so we have say we are near unveiling the Pabako per se. We any the goat of the movement.
Okay.
It's the choir and say, and here for Papa, you ever first one, you ever celebrate event, you know.
Okay.
I was so much Trinity be our open agenda, I had the man. It's all coy. Trinity, the first one, and yet the serpent.
Okay.
A two share Qatar football now. Omulogono, and yet and train serpent. Why you say?
You white now.
I say. And you were
as our what team.
Yes.
Crowd marginacy. So,
and train serpent. Then told me see serpent. You know, the serpent represents a rebirth. And what rebirth are they talking about? A rebirth of a new generation, a new system of governance, a new system, a way of handling money.
Okay. Let's say 2019, when you are here, no good. 2020,
a new birth.
Yeah, we are for fraba.
Yeah, we are for fraba.
And to symbol no more day, one at the year work up on rolly.
And to one on your friend and train serpent.
Okay.
And the train serpent, you know, while you're part of the Baphomet.
Okay.
Illuminati, other secret society. I worship no. While you're part of it.
Okay.
A two-share Baphomet picture now. Niha say, Nekukuha. Who wants a war? Abu Boguha.
Yeah, the Ayakum are the end of the
done comb. Okay. Sawa one. Only no tears, and that one more nipa quine at here.
Oh, okay.
What I say?
Prophet Opatafour.
Yes, I one any share or tears and muniam. I know what I say. A hill for na do na chim when ni eshe. A tomatina so who say. A real majority no achim money their east. And only the hey. Okay, can Ezekiel, a rally friend Ezekiel say, Omra had the and was say, a dominant Domania or Domania East. So many East there, and a baby or worship poor or many East. Okay. That's a man. Yes, I'll see a selective baby. Oh, you're very beautiful. A half because you're the real and actually, and we know, sir, the Muslims they have money and they spend. It doesn't mean say they are evil. But make sure say they invest. Hey, Qatar they are mom come by good. And what happened is then they need to be very selective. And Yentimi was to tournament in Dubai. The only auction right now and it's a Qatar. Let's go there. And we share almost symbols, no? Okay. And you know Mubibiana. Your friend, someone your friend, Ofiolatry. And you swim or that. Ophiolatory Ophiolatory and I say the Naga worship Naga near NAGA research and I said the serpent worship na so we say rituals you know to do white light am ya dey obi tina pon koso no me pole asi wotete ho no obi pole si ho no mo a then wo abetina eye you can dabi no goat aponchene so no a betimi atum ni kadia ko wura pole no abra ya dum light a wan hu no omo kan no say ya dum light e wo sum a ye den na otimi hu say pole no ha wetima program enti wo na the highest wizard
there's a baby bonsama
the highest
among them one we are baby bonsama where they
what did the highest wizard
okay
and what happened next in the say after say your crown what me awura we no after your crown no say only the highest only the greatest of all time which only my mercy but somewhere along line no who say football ni air course no people came to realize I said almost that stage ball no to favor Messi because prior to that some of the tweets of some of these FIFA and painful no who say as almost stage bibia
now my first match crowd the one lose you pa
yes
you who my beje World Cup
yes the idea is it was a battle between two nations
okay
which represents Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo.
Okay.
But the nations to which Cristiano or Ronaldo originates from were not able to pay price spiritually.
Portugal and Argentina
tuyaye. Yes. Et to celebrate say FIFA a host World Cup. Na se bibi ba et say ya ebi a Opatafour TV for ma host to bibi na aba obi we ni a mo commenting for the glory and good but mo monabasu enko condemn baako
dabi
but when you go on the Twitter page of FIFA team na omo throw ho say finally the debate over the goat has been settled.
Okay.
Is it possible?
Dabi.
Is it good?
Dabi.
Why did they do that? Because it has
a bit touchy.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And you are as we are making
Meteor Powdy for
December nimu my out but me be teachings Tuesday.
Okay.
And now you can say Fridays. Obi obo Opatafour Tuesdays Fridays be ane be say me catch them in sorry ma say do me share FIFA World Cup ni bibia no oni nyame wo problem.
Okay. Because you born some grow.
If we say omo dis agro way e dey Satan
enumonyam eno so na Christopher boss here ye dimrika.
This is what we call ignorance. We don't know anything about it.
Ti ye bi kura twasika touch.
Yes. And what happened next they say say omo ye sa de omani nyina wi a among Musa Ankrofo no me catch them in so man say after World Cup ni nipa be wuo no omo rebe ho.
Okay.
Na sa hohom no miensa no eye serpent no goat na wo mu no aboa ye kasa aboa na so odin ne wa
aponche
ni no Satan no because on 24/7
odi awusa
odi body sa odi wadua ni go wase no eti Satan obi abo abosobode obi bosobo a wase wa na ye no
Satan na ha
good
bonsam na ye no
eti the Satan was there and Lucifer esusu
ewo ho
eye part of it.
Okay.
Now omo ya ade ni nyina wie no they need blood.
Okay.
From among the nation who partake in the World Cup.
Okay.
To pay a price.
Ya di agro na wie
no
I was say ye nyamoja edi tua agro na edi ye ni nyina ho ka
edi nka.
Okay.
Na awu ya say ya rebirth a new generation, a new system of governance. Yeah, they are born at last year.
Okay.
Unfortunately, Ghana was chosen to pay.
Na yeah, na say chukura den ko wanko bi. Enti omo mkoboji sika no ke yi bi.
Very good. This comes in Se usunsun omra. Woni e be fa.
Oh, okay. Na say omo kobo ne obia den.
Se usunsun omra. Oh, look at on the media space.
Okay.
Look at the kind of comment about Christian Atsu. Obia say we are very good. Obia say we are very good.
Adoye hene no.
And so
adoye sa.
There shame in said the onu ya adoye no.
On ye dey na twa so.
Maten.
Wan ko bi mponko nya dollar bi kura no ye ku.
Tie ni o.
Ko nua mo kura bi.
Yo ye no. E dey na e dey.
Etwa so.
Now me catch them in sorry man. Who are showing me the obetimi from abusa omo.
E no kura Ethiopia. Audio nyina ho.
Yes, me catch them say omo kum nipa me yensa.
Okay.
Na nipa me yensa no. Come me first we kunu no.
Ene omo ananim.
Ene omo ananim.
Okay.
Enso no me na yira fa wo. Said you know me but what they know is say. They need blood.
Okay.
To appease those three gods. Omo invoking omo during that time.
Wake up no. Okay. Okay.
And Achia one. Pele Achia one.
What Pele?
Yes. Aka one.
It's a footballer back.
Yes.
Asa Kachu.
Anya Ghana o.
But we are footballer kase.
Yes. Yes.
Because what Pele your ball wake up we are not call.
Yes.
Brazilians went me anje.
And say those who partake.
More Matthias here. Who could be quite there
yes.
Would this year be free?
Yes.
Our bobo pay.
Yes.
Okay.
And this man has also paid.
Matthias here.
It is I can say.
Back.
Yes.
You see we hear me answer.
Yes.
None na take it for wusa.
Good. I told you, sir, after the ceremony, no, I was saying, you see, sometimes when we say it like this, and people think, oh, these are all conspiracy theories. Let me tell you, if you like, believe it. If you like, don't believe it. That is why I mean, no kasa, me ma union maybe just to yes, just for you to go and make research. It's just that there's something that we call nega worship or the serpent worship.
Okay.
And now say what you call ophiolacry.
Okay.
Ophiolacry is the worship of a serpent. Now me say omu bobo na omu a omu de won be ni na mani ana mfa ni na mani
na bibia kakra bi say 50 minutes bia wo say ba
me bisa wasem bi now onipa o tie asase we so onipa onyawo obekaw onyawo obesew onyawo obepoison o de ni be wadanfo
ni agro
na entire human race. The reason why we have remained like this and the curses of the Lord has remained upon our lives is because of this serpent. So in case if there should be a gathering, why should we use the serpent as a symbol if we don't have any intentions behind? Because when you read Genesis,
okay,
it is stated there clearly that God cursed humans and then the same as serpent, and he told the serpent to bite humans anytime they come into contact. Na dentina yesi edi agro
gie
na se bibia ni mu a
wo ne yede ne be ye
wo ne yede ne di agro. This is a question you need to ask yourself.
Ya adwena nkoho ya hu ade ne nam TV ne so a ba ya hu butaye ta chirudi for
enti sa ceremony no on say duru wake up no ya no do light
ceremony de on bedundum ba na ye fi say o mu di beautify ho
no
say na bibi ta chire Prophet Opatafour.
Answer this year wake up a jet demon tinti mine.
Any omu soja pa jaburu pa.
Yes, a friend the nocturnal gathering of witches. The nocturnal gathering of witches. A true as an innocent
form.
Yes.
A true bambo form.
Yes.
Na de gwiragu okunesa.
Yes.
Prophet Opatafour.
They are paying a price for the game they hosted in 2022.
Okay.
So what you say? Enti picture no na dey ato TV ni so no.
Okay.
Yan show. Oh, we check picture ni here. The symbol.
And you were clear. And adwena nkoso. Adwena na nkoso.
Oh, symbol ni na da so no. Enti adenti na ye bibia die. na wo wa onyankopo Jacob tumfo
no wo kra de onko de ni padam
oye ni padam abo ni o be ka enso no ye de ye symbol ye gina de
de odi for wa bie ye ni papa say no ma bi ba wo se ye hwe ni yo
what you say ye ni fi
Opatafour
yes ba ko no de atoso ye hwe we suso oh say hwe Baphomet ni na tiwo no wo se ye friend goat me ba cho hwe ne nase aboa ne nase anase wo a wo hwe me no Google the image of the Baphomet and Baphomet is
the nani yo dwa aboa na aponche nan
yes
hey prophet Opatafour
na hwe aboa no ne kokoso
na go be say wo na gunu ko
yes
hey wo di for Opatafour na enti payifo atranko yafo a tower camp na chi
woni di enjia
odi for
Satan is the richest of the world. Even in the book of Matthew chapter 4, he said to Jesus, he says, if you bow to me, every good thing, the luxuries and the edifice of the world has been handed over to me. So when you bow to me, I will give you a portion of it.
Okay.
That's exactly what the devil said to what? Jesus. Was it so put to me? That's all I mean. The real Simon Yomena. The man. If you say what they are money. In the history of football, has there been any World Cup that have ever hosted that we have ever spent money like this one?
Oh, kata de anya beto odi for.
Yes.
Sika su ankasa.
Yes. Because
as a bonsam na ne host na.
Yes.
Right abusia.
So, Baphomet, no, and the Baphomet is an image being worshipped by the fraternal society, the occultic, the cult world.
Okay.
The secret society. This is an image. Yes, the Baphomet. That is the goat. And to a movie, and some friend Messi said, "Yeah, goat." Yes. And to a movie, said the greatest
goat to near.
Goat. There be goat to near. That's no original goat. No.
King Corner.
And that's not why in Sase and Palagina and now good come. This is an entrained serpent and entrained serpent.
Okay.
And those people who hosted, who supported the World Cup with their money was the Luciferians.
Okay.
The Illuminatis.
Okay.
They are the people who have money.
Okay.
Until they did things in glorification to their leader.
Okay.
And that is the serpent.
Okay.
The devil as Satan and Lucifer as a whole. Until the World Cup, you know, obi obasini to be am catch them say obi obesha World Cup. Yes.
Okay, kai pa.
Yes, obi
say obi so World Cup.
Yes, obi ohwa World Cup ni oni nyame benya problem because I am bra omu yes fa shefa
bonsam gro
e dia share Satan ni munyam enu Lucifer enti man na amuti am si goal no enye sa o
goal na ya she goal.
Yes,
enye goal na ya
goat goat.
Oh, okay. Any I go.
Yes.
There's a goat now.
Goat.
What big bottleneck in man?
Goat.
Oh, okay. Prophet Opatafour.
But you people, the T has been silent, and you call it GOAL. Goat. Never. This
also.
Yes.
Goat.
It's for goats.
Okay.
So after everything, they need to crown one person as a goat, and Messi emerged as the goat of 2022. FIFA World Cup, and afterwards, there's a prize that nations who partake in the World Cup is supposed to pay. And why all of a sudden footballers from the nations of our world we are losing them? Because there was some kind of a secret truth. That truth behind 2022 FIFA there.
Okay.
World Cup. And that's the reason why Yamesi Pele, Yamesi Atsu.
Tia Atsu dia sacrifice.
Sacrifice no deny.
Ghana men you know all right, abusia odi for Opatafour we onya ni ba bia o. This Opatafour TV. Secret we ko fa no we. Odi for Opatafour na nyame adom we nyamra ma e ni new studio high launch. Papa Opatafour some home.
What you say?
Odi for Opatafour.
Until football ni cost. People were
hailing now so no crime say tie we no. Say no ma jimi some.
People were hailing Satan. hail Satan. Hail Satan. But they were hailing Satan out of ignorance. They never knew, sir. The reasons in Tia almost too bored was because normally they commemorating the incoming new system of governance, and that is the new world order. And when you look at some of the speeches and statements made by the FIFA president, he made mention of the new world order. And why did the FIFA president say that?
Okay.
Because the FIFA World Cup was hosted on purpose.
Okay.
And me catch you almost after no, and you probably whoop. Nipa be whoop after yes, and the reason anti innocent soul like that. Yes. Yes, the issue in the say. Who can Bible? Tell me Israel, man, wouldn't say every year be every generation be almost to sad, you know. Satan yan party you. Moses time, oh yeah.
Okay.
Now program no omo ye wiya. Baby omo ye honey o man. Ade bi omo yisu ye bia eyemusuo enti o se omo save.
Okay.
Na bi di omo de ko. Enti after so omo hosting program on say out there stadiums.
Omo tutu ba.
Omo tutu.
Bibi na dia
omo tutu.
Na omo fom yom tutu.
Cars omo yisu ye nyina de ntina carters wo say.
Omo de che.
Omo de ko che.
That's a museo.
Me say, why Nakata say, cars near the coche?
Yeah, be tired today.
Only coche country bear. And if I research, country bear on the coche. And I hear for an accident in the Cosi.
Taki, sending you now could be a take.
A Cocosi Syria, you know.
Syria for Swinyabi. That's I didn't know the aqua for baby back.
Now, there will be a problem. After say, you see, in the olden days, ABC, yes, most is time. Yes, most is time. A ready money here, one.
Okay,
sir, Munko Kotono. What do you get here? The reason here, or sister, one cow beer, or two we can't call one. I say, what do you get here? One na sell.
Okay.
Kono ho na de odi sell no. Yanyi free ni sem no fanya wuye. Me urade mi ntimi waste me time.
Okay.
Enti mama command. Wo a wo be how bia no. Kono ho in the name of Moses.
Okay. Okay.
Now pa, upeje wani hwe wo na. The serpent, one would understand you. What you say? One be ti wase.
Okay.
Na ade bia wanna dear through Hobiano, or restore back.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, who Jesus? It was a new generation. The other one call. Well, yeah, this same serpent went and tested Jesus. According to Matthew chapter 4. Yes. Now, every dispensation be on your Moses is a new generation. Yeah, Egypt for celebrating the identity of friend Nega. You come mema what Israel nyina Egypt yes time omo ye you come mema nyina and this is a new era omo dia celebrate sadia aba no
was a
bonatrase
and then no ma de ye ni fa ye musude
I say no nipa rituals you see I am who your matter. I am the who Christopher. I am who I am mobo. I am sumamu because my leaders, you know, majority of them. Oh my bon. I don't need for no so who in a catch. Now by then, who am free from my bed then. And what we say,
someone question Jaya.
Good. You was
assassin.
So we say, cut your mercy cow. My myself. Obi ni cut and watch them.
I be break.
Now then, Tina.
Ghana for club will be near Jumania.
Oh, yeah, Ghana for I'm talking. Now then, Tina Japan, cast say, and I'm from Bush and I'm coming to it.
Yes, they coach.
And the thing I say, you're baby be our man. Because I have spiritual laws.
D4 Opatafour.
Yeah, the call. And yes, I earthquake back car. I'm near the car, yeah.
Okay.
Young proud from different places.
But beyond J. Anson, I'm near Damuno.
Yes.
All right, abusia Opatafour Opatafour asase anu na esia. Ni enya ni studio ha. Hey, Opatafour de enya ni say dia. Dia hintankwa na oka o. Dia hintankwa na oyiba. Prophet Opatafour ya mre na ko ne ensam no so doso.
Okay.
Atwi dia de wa me ehu ba bi efire nti se ya Yesu kra ye beja ahem. Na Prophet Opatafour last year na wo shase say asai Ghana ha ba ye den na do amamu odi e na oye obi na misa. Wow, can say ya ba twini futuro ma twe na bo so.
Okay.
Ama emu hoya san be interview ma say he afi kura de emu ba din ase 2022. Na Prophet Opatafour de yehu na fi de adi o. Drew says esi ade arọ ho ya finance minister. Timamufu abobre nyame ehiro nkakra on sika on de atoto bond no. Yesi aye din ama sesi o ma no gisi agi wo musika no sa timamufu no. A omo nyame ehiro mo kakra on sika atoto bond no. Ye je di achechere ma ni ye na sesi o ma no ne wo chese ahokyere na doso ama ye ntimi mu ma no. Prophet Opatafour be bia sesi a won sam na akeka Ghana ne yaduru no. Emu aye di ama Ghana. Prophet Opatafour. Eya won sam ni wai o kan ya tie no wana nsi ade ye be we ni yo. Ghana bibia nyo finance minister. Ofori Atta was sisi individual bond, personal bond, ne pensioners bond in our sisi. You who say we jamo, so we jamo. The ebe duru no di for Opatafour. We wa nya say we your politics bia we di ka ho sem dada nti ya say ya ma okasa fa ho. Prophet Opatafour kasa.
Ya mi nchira o. With the issues of Ofori Atta
minister no ya gentle Opakasa o I do baby what you obi sika o hanesa no
you shouldn't be deceived. Mami can go and show. They also only people who say ensuo share and fenipa. Ensuo you know.
And the fenipa.
So the most people in the society who are supposed to be afraid of. People who don't talk. Yes, people who don't talk.
Din for.
They are dangerous now. Omo dangerous say. Omo kasa. Now that's just by the way. But me person may hear this assertion. What I've come to believe in is say. And you ma bebre na do na atena ho ama.
Who can you free last year no one put the desas.
Na
wo hweye na anyi samu wo hweye na anyi. Ba bia dun de eden. Yes ya de ono no party for kura bobna.
Aye.
Ba bia ko dun no.
When it comes to the IMF, when they went back to IMF, I'm proposing them. I'm say they should go and do something. I'm say debt restructuring whatever. Me a video be
okay.
Now me can send me the chair finance minister, Ofori Atta.
Okay.
Papa me can send me chair no. So fine. So I'm fast one.
Okay.
Me remind no. Now video ni video ni mra.
All right. I will share your video ni bi mra sisia.
Oh,
okay.
Now unim. They are relying on the IMF, the loan, so that from December going into a but as some cases 2023
and also
as some cases in the chair 2022
a money na
a chair 2022
Prophet Opatafour. They say person who say we are saying I'm okay. Odifo.
Utie. Me ngao. Jacob Tumfo no on egu ni man.
So also ne they say na emu asase.
Me dey so na aye na me kire.
Na kwentu mpacha oni bi maye.
Me ema
timu bi. Who say ya brew asase no so ukwa onka.
Ma me kasi kiti.
Me ti odi.
Asam kasiesi 2023. MPP for paying for they should find solution to it
2023
the entire some find solution
okay
I mean mu a baby
with you
and paying for the betias ya
okay
o mu belo o ma tu nsuo and o di nsuo na sie
okay
na sie o di nsuo na sie no enye kwambo ne so
okay
o mu de sie se
the hiada
when you be
okay
na do the hiada na me ko duru ho no o mo call ye no na nsuo na we
so na ye de system ba say mu ye den a ye be sa anom no
ye call ye
o ko na nsuo na we
na bra nsuo no we ye asem kesi esi
Prophet Opatafour
ebu o mo be 2023 masa eche menkasa
video no na busia ye nyina yakɔhwɛ bi no prophet Opatafour yakɔhwɛ bi o
so wo hwɛ video na me ka kyerɛ omo sɛ me bu omo ebe
okay
na de ntia me ka sa sɛ we ni sɛ me hu sɛ spiritually
okay
amanfo njapade a oma bre e de apɛti sɛ sika no
bondo no
me hu sɛ minister no de ne nsa fa sika no ana hwehwera be kuta Ghana mani bi ana bi ebi yare ana bi wu ana omu ti ne suo tempenten kwa
mpanyinfo
na me hu sɛ omu bobna
justice nyina bobna
yes me hu sɛ mpanyinfo ne bobna ma ba ko soli sei ana o hwemu ade ne firi ayi you can't say finance minister nsem afeni o gina ho din
okay
ono o ntimi pusi so kwaje ade no ntimi bube we di tira o mo say NPP as a political party, especially the office of the finance ministry, Oma tunsuo bi di esie,
okay,
which means Oma bo epobi sika pobi di esie. No Oma imagine say edru di den a, no man timi meet the requirement of the IMF. The only option is Oma switch to ebula no.
No ma befa.
Nemo Oma call ya no me hu say nsuo no are.
Nsuo bi ani ho.
Nsuo bi ani ho.
Okay.
Obi antwe ma so fa ni sika.
Ani eno kure he obi anya na mu mpanyinfo chi
tie yo enkom sani na da hono when you mo obi yesi ya
pom ohun dia ba
minim dia meka
eno kure true do
sa video we omo hwe omo ya we
omo ante ase ye
me katru omo se omo di omo ani ato IMF so say IMF e be boa omo
IMF o ka say mama president mama kura ko bi ekosi sai
good
na eyi kura ko good papa ko fo ko bi ekosi sai
yes now realize the case am am katru say IMF no omo akono e mesere na di omo ani atu nsuo bi so na omo ko na nsuo na we kom huso omo fo bi sika
okay
omo di nkrofo ni sika na omo tabi atwetwe nkonti ba ne ade so omo amfa ma omo a di besi nye
na ya duru ho ya duru
ana mo se ba ku bi atimi hwim ade ne firi kanofo ne atansem afa ne ogina odi otimi ye ho hwi bi
ne e ko na e diama no
na fa mi hu se e ba sa omo difference afa Ghana ye tin
na de wo mo isi ade mu ode
na nyanya di o efiri ma chi ko no
Opatafour
hwe
dia timu sesi
obi katira say na Nado's government will make things softer for you people it totalize
etie ebe duru next year ni eko December ina bibia sesa
die me mami mu be di
no abekasa say no mo mbe mre yenya abotrema no
na mami nchiro na Nado na be kan me na mintie no
o se emu be mre wo
na me ye president na me bu o man na nya me say me kan to say mbe di amamo
na bi so say ye nyini
so do you believe what he said
and e wakana asin say be bad
how many times has this man mounted on platform giving us false hope
I have some for
no I am not afraid to tell honorable the finance minister say or you're incompetent
ajinin some
or you're incompetent there are certain nyoma me dentia me say on some fata on to me mo Ghana no nyoma for pay
okay it you be hinedi
the first one 2019 he threw a kenke party
say yanko
say what me yi you can't say Ghana if I am for some because mama e dey akoso o se yanya dey
yenko obi ensi obi
yenko obi ema onukuwa na Ghana mamuom if say me nyina mani hu what we call governor onukuwa na mamuom yeso abo hat-trick hat-trick minim say ya football
and the fans na na dey
tie bio
ni e man fans
minim say football and your hat-trick but onukuwa de oba he no wa abo hat-trick now who the same finance minister way who say yanko IMF yati ase so you look for the available means to generate money
okay
is sufficient enough to me that real man now you people went to the parliament house propose a new bill where you didn't generate sika though the nation we never supported you people but you people use a scandal means and making the bill a successful one.
Okay.
That is by proposing an e-levy. What they say a call
expectation or form. Ne de we mfi se puduo ni baba.
Na me pacho. Wo finance minister nti wonya wo assessment enya oni o ma wie. And I'll say e-levy. Ebe boa mo atima boa ma no.
Fi say ebe yi but your expectation.
Enti opayini bia. Utimi ka say enkwan atere ba ko betimi adufuo nto anan. Na wa man krofo adi wadi akoto fufuo ya ba na atere nya di gufufuo no so a. Anso a sa payini we.
Na so na assessment nye.
Ni niam nye.
Okay, matwa so wo ho. Ana di bi mo di for.
The second one. Kenke party na wo to ye no. What's out time here they call the same chrome ho.
Asiba bi adru na ete.
Tieni o
mama e bi ede.
Yeah, what to Kenke party say wait omwayen. Who here ya? What's out time the nation. That's how do omko. Masa. Otu o babo wow. Some in producer. What to say some ya wakrama wa progu no sade na no akokan.
Okay.
Because how now me believe yet. You made us who post to President Mahama, ex-President Mahama say, when you're competent enough. And what do a man a question to assume to what diaba. I may have more fearful. What bo financial hat-trick.
Almost see a friend is saying, I couldn't see what we if you cry.
Russia
and Ukraine.
Okay, Mahama soon be a Mahama.
There.
Ebola.
Ebola no. Ebola and the Senka Ghana ha ni ni.
Na say ba wiase Mahama so.
Ba who say here the end there. Sa fu some na high.
Let me tell you the truth.
Na don na no so abehye ho kakra.
Let me tell you the truth. Me no
Opatafour.
The Ukraine Russia COVID. Listen, let me tell you. Do you know say up to today Nanado still take tax regarding COVID?
Eh, say can buy. O say can born COVID time now.
Ya Jessica Vamamo.
I know there some of the back class here, the support to buy.
There support to the
COVID amani hu ani egumu.
Eh dia ya.
Say COVID buy ya tena fie ma ani enya.
And why na Nanado case tade to say what if you for the free
COVID. Bi na omo yale COVID na. Enu ya kra de mu bom.
Enu be.
Enu ya kra ya bi kura COVID mpani. Ya tua bi kura bi meduru ye.
Good.
Oh, I cow.
Say opportunity fie to me. Listen. Opportunity fie to me time sika to na say hu ne o ma ma.
Ababa say. You go so.
Let me tell you. This man has totally failed Ghana.
Prophet of
me. Now me no. I've come to believe what people are saying. And now those government, is playing family and friends over there. And
yes.
Yes, do you know something? Yes, I've come to believe. Do you know why? The reason why I've come to believe that Nanado's government, there's what we call family and friends over there.
I know the idea.
It's because an incompetent man like this needs to be sacked.
I can Ofori Atta.
Or some people the free Ghana.
On the reasons or the buy won't tell you.
Let me tell you. We don't need any reasons because it could be. Listen. We don't need President Nanado to come and tell us any reasons because fact and history has it clear. Said this man is an incompetent man because he was the board chairman executive on Data Bank. What is happening to Data Bank right now? Listen, what is happening to Data Bank? A man who could not manage his own asset. Why should you entrust the whole nation's asset into his care? A man. Listen, a man who could not manage his own asset. Why should you entrust the nation's asset? You see, a man for brown, my bro, my brain. Who the question is a brown one person of you will be a good one. Listen, you Opatafour. Me may be a company, may be a store, Papa Chwebi. Me dimu in area Manasa. The work of break for America by ya. Who be your company, the same provision in BO. Now the Asham say me intimiate me nkɔhɛ. Okay.
Na me to be sure and come mama di agu. Some person will saw.
And dey ntwa yie.
But you say this same it was financial related issues. Bank, financial related we say institution. Want to be ahwɛ. And me say madam for be ka asem bi. Uncle Madam, one of my spiritual sons. What's what is happening? Because I'm going to Data Bank to just go and withdraw ordinary 500 Ghana cedi. There's just a problem over there.
Say no so mo ka ho bi. Omo te say emu ayedina obi eyi ni sika. Ba say the pressure ba bank.
Pressure be to be my bank when you have whatever that we came to deposit there at the bank. So bank sika na ho ye the transaction.
Yes, yeah the transaction. But there are certain listen, there are certain amount to be a ye jade to account him because we didn't say obi sika the crowd anytime the obetima dey
so di for na we no omo yama omo nyina bo boom na ko
masa
bo boom kwa e be da
nyabotre
because bi edibi ama lo
nyabotre
ye di bi akoto to bon
entina na na Dubai no or confiscating some of these banking institutions. Why? Because there was a saying though me dem who but omo say there also amount also that bank na chi no eni omodi enti wade ana onje
waji bebre
good the oye na na perfect why there she say obi sika no dey abeto omo bank no my dey modi wade account no
waji bank
no enti which means say I was a bank be enya certain amount of money
and dey ho omo loss me
good so where is data bank's own mimia don't defend evil so that you become enemy of God because
prophet of
yes don't defend evil and become enemy of God. Now this man came to read 2023's budget. Did he make mention of 30 people's bond?
Na no kra no di kaka say individual bond nka mu.
Nyabotre mi nyama ho enka mame nkama
no kra ko.
Nyabotre
me pese o twa.
He came to read the budget. Did he make mention of 13 people's bond? Okay. Yebusia wa si oh bibia ho ntechema bibia nye.
Wa hwe ni ye.
Na wasa akọ. Ni wasa agba. Ade tia wo se bond no wafa. Wo twantro na wo twantro.
Was one really
listen we're trying to somebody will be your for this man is incompetent. Ofori Atta is not supposed to be tolerated.
Okay,
this man is incompetent. He has lost his sense of dignity in the presence of people.
Okay,
because of his action, because of his action. What you say? And in the lives of certain category of people who have a very bad historical tale, like senior minister. Your friend is is he not part of the economic team?
Okay.
He's part of it. Okay. Look at a man who has a very bad historical tale in terms of finances. This man, we have seen his performance. We know what he is capable of. During who want to catch it? Listen, you see, this man doesn't have anything to offer to Ghana. He's just spending our resources.
President by Vice President Boakye.
I'll come there
until the senior minister.
Listen, a man who has a very bad historical tale, like senior minister or Safumafu, a man who could go on loan. Obi aso on credit loan and famra.
Never be a copy.
Na obi selu oye niti. I know the koka. Address ko be a koka. Or say we sorry. And President Kufuor, in his own intelligence and smart, realized that this man
will not help.
Because they were he was sidelined. And you nanado. Akofa we say bra.
Oh, say I'm from Swaki to be.
Listen. No, but hey, Safumafu. How dey do? And
this our emre.
In the finance sector, I've never seen anybody serious over there. I'll say it.
Oh, Baumia now take
Baumia. What has Baumia done?
Oh, yeah, no, my baby.
Okay. Baumia is a very good when it comes to converting the dollar to euro.
No, dollar.
During ex-president Muhammad's time, what did he say? When President Muhammad was leaving the office, now what is the exchange rate now?
I say, yeah, Ukraine talk I'm about me.
And let me tell you, when the Ukraine and Russia were fighting, did they take Baumia's intelligence? We not doing finity. And they are doing in the day. You see, their knowledge and everything is not sophisticated enough to help the country as a nation, and we have to tell ourselves the truth. You see,
that's so, how before the
oh, let me quote one of their ministers who is now a presidential aspirant, Alan Cash. Kwadwo, ne na na bokosu atafere o se aye dia momo
emu aden
dabi o se obi a umpe no kure no na beka se Ghana nye de dia lankan na mi kotu no o se wa umpe no kure na beka se Ghana enye den nemo Ghana de atete apansam na say kamia koye se den momo 2024 campaign message o de be kwa bonten
odifo no ma adwene ba so se kamia koye se unkom hye a obehye se na nadu na nyame so obetwe na boss na nyame de kutam ana
na nyame agemu
prophet of Opatafour enfie mienu ni nti nyame ngo ne sem
obede agemu
2020
ebede no agemu
na sa kom hye obeka na dance ya usi
because sunsumu ni o man still you see sometimes spiritual things, people who are operating under curses. It's because of the curses makes them to behave in some ways. Because I've come to believe that if hadn't been that pronouncement that was made or a decree that was made against President Akufo-Addo, these people in action or in person is supposed to be ejected out of office or to be reshuffled. Ofori Atta is the only person who has a mandate about who has a knowledge about finances. There are people also there who are well sophisticated, who are well groomed, who could come in and support the finance sector. But why has he kept quiet and watched this man?
Yes, so President Asam
I've come to believe that he's operating under the influence of a curse. Because
no man can.
Yes, no man can. Yes, until no man is seen as so.
Okay.
Because you're suffering for dear. I was so Uncle Boakye.
I shut down office,
me say, you're suffering for doesn't quite. I was so Greek office. Oh, dear,
Minister of Agriculture.
When you're cooking in Canibia, on Noah. Because this man has a very bad historical tale. History has it as a fact.
Ofori Atta in that sector.
And I'm saying, Obi Otimi turned several times. If it was to be in the foreign countries, this man, Piampamono. Obi Otimi be jino mamu nyina twan to na won suro obia. We musemu de o man sika amano. Na de achine so wa ye will e de amane ge eja hokwa. What will you say?
All right, Abusia. And Odifo Lanchi station na hit brutal. Politicians na ma Odifo ka say yawa, but probably we hono mai.
What has it?
We hono yan some the doors.
I did your own pen correct. I'm not against Nanado.
Okay.
She adia me gina so ka say de ntia nyame bu afu Nanado. Me catch say corruption schemes be akoso a building of the cathedral me boa. Omu gigi sika.
Anu kura me miss and some pop ba no.
Oh, me catch am say Awurade si omu de ni din akodi sika no omu di sika de agu no mu fin. In the name of building a cathedral.
Okay.
Why has it taken them so long?
Is that from suspended works?
Okay.
I'm say I'm for me investigative board and answer.
Oh, now share issues are generated from that sector.
Who me pese e me ko ho who say wow aso from panfo mo aso from
na aso for me catch another one thing. Me see aso for na one another one. They don't have anything positive to contribute to his life.
Aso from panfo afọ brano.
So for obi master obi they have been able, you see, they have learned what you call skills, communicational skills, to be able to use that skills effectively to manipulate people, making them think that they are holy, but their actions and everything tells.
30 years, 40 years.
You see, your number of years you spent in ministry doesn't determine how good you are. They want paying one out to me. Now, what software would Sunday ultimate domini who create 2 ID card and different name but the same image.
Prophet of Opatafour. Asem could do court.
Me person account. That be me casa me account.
Me casa.
But me tell what did. Oh, nyabotre. Me koka court mran sama. Me ni much about law. And I'm in court asem.
Okay.
But me the say. Me problem ne say. Me Odifo Opatafour me the me am o example.
Okay.
Me ti o man mu. Me sorry a me preach say onipa ndi nukure. Mo onipa anya bone. Enfunso wo bia ho. But Opatafour me ti hoi. Me kura 2 ID card am de wo wi ase. Me di ba ko ye Opatafour. Ba ko so ye bia Pakwesi. Now, all this ID card, you know, Juma. Why? Say what you see here.
Yebe. Tia so for paying no say.
Me say, only Mwabia the man anado.
President Anado show me.
Oh, they are just being opportunist.
Asofo mpayifo ma bom bra wie
obi so
ma solid.
Let me tell you,
o ma solid twaga na hu nyina
obi a wa bobra ne de na ni mmire obi bibi o.
Prophet
obi a wa bobra no na ni mmire obi bibi o. Na obi a na ni mmire obi bibi o ye greedy bia na o mo bra o. Obi a na ni abre no
o na ni mmire obi bibi
na ni mmire obi bibi bobra
o ya defo no
o ya defo
obi bibi nya ne fe
yes
na ni mmire obi bibi
yes
na asofofo isa o ma ne ho do no mo de ye
good o ma ne ho do eh den na sikasem etina say say de me ka no what you say na do hwe me a deep down Anado's heart I think say Anado yes
asofo na disappointed
he feels disappointed yes he feels disappointed
sir
yes because Nanado is a smart man, he's a man with potentials but it's like
na omunyi no me na mane
Anuntina
omunyi no me
Anuntina make say
omunyi hu
omunyi mwa
enti sa komu wo omuhu ade akombe hu se no me bi da papa
na nka mo mwa no mama ni didn't search form na Ghana how obi so abedi ade a you're respecting the man fast chain another
that be John form as see any nyina esa na nka na wo fast wo
I me yase
nyina man fast
President Nanado was a man that has a vision and he trusted those people around him and omo didn't sense form
sha sofofo na amwa
omo na sofo be na amwa wonyi ni yam sofo mpa obeboy na memi ba manim yetu mikura image tu o me wu na ye president o se govi me be boa ma she face mark ha ye tuntum ha kokko me ni yetu be a criminal
brother na madavo e ja sofo na amwa
me be boa na nado me di yetu who am I where the me bra pay na kan yo ayi
chairman general
utumi
chairman general
greetings me be boa na nado me di eyetu who am I whoa
odi for about
Nanado
the tria ye Trinity
the tria chance
omo di papa ni hwamo
omo di Nanado
hwamo na amwa
omo amwa no
fufu kuku do ma nyamedwuma ma omo asole agina o
enya asore ni na agina o
omo nyamedwuma
o sometimes
omo chi sisi asoda nkese wo man mu enti nka
mane ka se ni chiro o maye ni papa wo mu no so mo tena se na ni bone ekoso no o man kan musuo ebedane amamere I'm a perfect example.
Okay.
It say some of the olden days, not the practicing cannibalism.
Okay.
I do a chili pani kuni I went to say, and they think those evil acts and practices were normal. What you say?
Okay.
Now, the same thing also implies. In the olden days, do you know the reason why the youth of this end time they don't have respect for the kingdom of Christ?
Okay.
And God as a whole. Because some of the doings of these so-called men of God. These people don't have heart for the less privileged, the poor people in the society. Yes. Anybody that have his own, they want to make gain for themselves. Some could feel that board. If you do send a orphanage school by 10,000, 300, 400. If you do say, yes, to buy, he fed how many people?
Thousands of people.
And Yankasa no more brave. I could afford say.
Ebi omo so omo ye na omo mpese.
Oh, master, ya jade de o.
Mpese omo beka.
Jade de na onipa de obe. De obe ye bia be pie. Se ni obi ko se galamse o ba bi na ye che no no. Wa ye papa nka mpie. Enti Nanado mitibisha Nanado animu din. Na ma sense me wada discernment of spirit no. Enti mi hunu say papa no ya obi ye dey e woni mu ya obi wo papa ni mu because I say woti wo mu di say we di asofo o me breki
so ma ya sole nyamedwuma ma na gina
na mutime tena wi ase say mu si aso dan dia ma awurade na nioma si akwa awre ho say awre wo
nikre
eno na lanka se kan ye no sa asem na papa ne kan ta no ma pe na asem
o si o man ni mo ente
o say wa umpe no kra na say
bibia yo
okay
All right, abusia odi for Opatafour asase ano na nsia. Prophet Opatafour wo boshen kumase na matene nka no na nsam ne doso. Odi for na arahosam ba ko etwato. Na ye ma omre na kohome na na de ya twen ododo. Nya ya Rev Anthony kwadwo Boakye. Na nsen na ya tese ne ho mfa no. Ha no abakasa kakra hye nkura se no kure na hoye no de dodo bat eye kakra. Na nsane na ya tese se wafrim. Yes, we jahoko. Na investigation kakra media team ye ne say yes na yire na touch wa amwa papa no duru ba bi o sole papa no so ama aroho akoya aroho sema papa na di aroho aja asase no woko Anthony kwadwo Boakye Reverend Anthony kwadwo Boakye anya miduma wa ye ne doma akra wa ji wo mo Prophet Opatafour ba bi akoduru no papa yi wa ye nya miduma pa ni efi say anko mefira asase sukura ka nye ni sei. That's what they are saying on OD for.
They also the party are saying, well, say the area Hanami, I can't tell.
And some are here to tell.
Yes, and they are to say, yes, the minimum say, sometimes action speaks louder than words.
Okay.
In what essence? Why is so clear awful? Now it be a money problem.
Okay.
Now, Bano, what you hokotia sorry. A basa. There's something there wrong.
Okay.
Basa, I think there had been some sort of greediness and I said BBB again. Okay. Because in the latter part, I heard some of these news on the media firm say, Papa say mom fan BB ama na yere. I heard anything Kobasa.
On Sufi so the next search.
Oh, I didn't. Yes. The man has a reason for saying that. Because if it to be said, the who can say you didn't treat in year and con casada.
Near Papa Nenum kind.
What you say?
No. But if you free, if you saw Barno Sufi say, Papa na Jinimre Bebre.
What didn't really say? I
want no 2 sets of mammy for no do a year, you do so bad, only no hope.
And do what Jinimre Bay.
Also, Sufi said,
Papa na man and I'm from.
That be. Me dey dem be say bia wonsra wo no.
Na wonsra wo so a wo de bua ukunu enti ukunu ya.
Na enti ukunu ya mre na wo take you over. Sanka nya ne bone.
Na anya bone. But why several incidents see. And omo kusika ho ebitim be dwa bonte obo bobi no asum. Because that be am ko oba. Say oba ubutimi fu na utne unsa bob dem asum no. I'm telling you.
Ehu nyame ne.
Ehu papa.
Na men person.
Hey, utimi bob dem asum oba.
Say bi o nsu provoke na.
Master, let me tell you. Yeah. Osi Kristo oni ni asafoniti. Enti obarema se do oba be ye akosi bi oni asafoniti. Enti se sofo ma me wa so dem krampo a elder ho. Utimi kase na nim rough.
Sir.
Yes. Na denti na utimi hwibia so.
As of ma me for any ebi adin o.
Yes. Enya din na wo din o.
Bobia so ebi bi ata.
Enya nyame akwan.
Sir.
Utimi tire won sa me ba minua.
Wanya ne sanso a asoli ni nyina.
Asoli bia no wa ebetimi agu efre urade da.
Okay. Prophet another iparo akofa abayo.
Entimi mu. Osima pono na sama do apono timi ntwimfa so. Osini dan. What you say? Until you having this mentality say beguntino, you have to go to an extreme level of slapping people, unleashing slap at people. It tell us whom you are.
And the papa na num kan me drum no bi obeka ansem ni nyina.
Oh, maye obabanya.
Yawo nyina kan papa na de agya ho.
Yes, because me yale na me ofie. Na me yire tutu machi ma me na me elders e wo watimi ahwibia sumu a. O za de me kan timi ase a. Enti awrade hu ye nyina mobo. Na obi aso ko ware a. Onye wise. No him. Sometimes appearance I no to obeja wako obi abeja wako
Prophet Opatafour
obi abeja
say na wo say obi obedi nyame achi haye nyame djuma say na
baby onu ko ye no baby okofa ye no
na aye ne sa
o akatua no
na ofa na say minti bo ase ko ni
okay ebi ni ye kan
ofa na say ebi Kristo ni man of
yes Kristo ni no fa ye but the okofa de bata no ho no ena ko bi
so ba na okonya na amoa no
sekita wo mu nyina ne se omu de nakiwade e kan
papa no
nti na onya stroke chain at once no right na
bi ono nso na ekoye ya
Or the sending a dinner to a can, but I will not go into details.
That's a wound.
Yes.
Prophet Opatafour.
I'm in the two idea can sinking.
Prophet Opatafour. And you'll be on one a mistake no I confirm it you are there.
Nigeria. I'll bet that
will be on him say
let me tell you. When you are my kind of crunch row. Absalom in prefer say David the top for my own baby here. Enti
otraso be yin afiri.
Yes, obi nim say papa ni free wa. Only be take over.
Ni na be dan so.
Enti say dem kan well
to anwa nipa bi she chire.
Me say
na abapam papa no.
There be. Obi di na tiwa de kan no, you so say word no. Na chire bi e flow court how wo.
Awa, me si aka no.
Wo so obi na di na tiwa de kan no.
Okay. Okay.
Ebi a tiwa de say court busawa. Wo so ni kwan so odi kuku.
No man koko no me. All right, I will see how deep for Opatafour Asasiano na isia. And then ya jemre wo Opatafour TV. Studios wanwaswa odi for aye. Ah, say yam fa nhenya me anyu. Yam fa nyenya me duma. Prophet Opatafour na agye adwa fefe na konwa so de efeye. Papa nsemu kira odi for yam mra no de ya agye umre bebre. De o ka twa to na
yam nhira obi a. On the 12th of March. Program
40 days,
40 days on the 12th of yes, on the 12th of March.
And I'm program
yes. On the 12th of March, exactly on the 12th of March. And our program also. You are highly invited. Come support us in terms of everything. Sikasem, Empire Bobby, come. Because on the 12th, and you're crowning everything.
Shirani Nina. What then was the go Bibia?
Mishra will be a never
on the 12th of March. Our Bushen
station
here. I saw the blue train. Yeah, Bowerman.
Mishra will be now face so more than share video no and subscribe to the channel.
Okay.
Next week Friday, same time, over Saturday, can subscribe so that when we upload a new video, you get a notification right from YouTube. Okay. Now, so we say, yes, we are do. You best serve with the best content out of ever.
Okay.
Until you show be a NPP4, NDC4, Agronquo, Bonibia name.
Okay.
You know, I per se. Omani ye day, Yami show be.
All right, Odi for Opatafour Asasiano na isia. Prophet Opatafour, that's the net of Heaven's ministry. And I wish you have more ten. And now you have a lunch Opatafour TV. Now what you said, nah, oh, yeah, Shamubo, the Ambane, and some the dorsal. Me did the Osei Kofi, and some lady, me name is Chief Cameraman, yes, Yawa. You wish you now what you said, you do be asked.
Opatafour TV, your channel of truth.